Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania and welcome back to my channel Tania Art. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to do a watercolor painting, a portrait painting. But before that, I'm gonna show you how to transfer a sketch on your watercolor sheet or watercolor paper. This is the paper that I use for my watercolor paintings. This is a handmade paper and it has a lot of texture and it's kinda thick, so you can use it for watercolor painting. So this is why I use it and it's perfect for watercolor painting. And this is the sketch, this is the portrait that I'm gonna color today for watercolor painting. So today I'm gonna transfer my sketch on this paper. So at first I'm gonna take my sketch. This is the sketch and here is the carbon paper. It will help me to transfer it to the other paper. So at first you need to place it right, then you have to place on the right side like this. Then you just need to draw it, like make sure that it's is on your perfect position, the way you want to, in the middle side. This is where my paper ends, so I am making sure that it's not outside the paper. I'm making sure that it's inside the paper. So now I'm gonna just trace it with a pencil. You can also use a pen, but because it's my sketch and I don't want to ruin it, so that's why I'm using a pencil. But you can also use a pen which doesn't contain any, like, it's done with the writing things. It doesn't contain any color and it's just an empty pen and you can use it on it. So this is how I'm gonna now just do it, and it's gonna pass the other paper. So we are done the outlining and it's now looking like this. And let me show you, like, maybe now you can see some of the tracing that I have transferred this paper. Now I'm gonna just watercolor paint it with watercolor. By the way, for on camera you are unable to watch it, like I'm saying it that my camera is unable to catch it, but in a real life, like I'm doing it, so I am seeing it that where is going on. So when you will do it, you will be able to find your tracings on your paper and you will be able to draw it. So don't worry, because of the camera you are unable to watch it, like watching the tracing. But if when you will do in real, you'll be able to watch the tracing quite well. So don't worry about it. Now I'm gonna start the watercolor session. is done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.